Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install your cleaning solution into the DJI ROMO robot vacuum. To install the cleaning solution, you can see this is what the cleaning solution looks like. You need to first detach this sticker here at the top, open the door to the charging base, and then once the sticker is removed, slide your cleaning solution into this slot all the way in. If your robot supports the fine deodorizer, Flora deodorizer, which is only supported by the ROMO P model. I have ROMO S, so I cannot use it, but for ROMO P models, you can also get Flora deodorizer, and you can install it on the slot on this side. So that's great, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.